Now, I had noticed that there were some videos going around talking about the idea of a flat Earth, and I wanted to show you how, as I see it, through observation, through actual what's called work, how this system operates, and I hope that this display will help you. So I've put these words here that all mean something to everyone, and I'm going to place them within this diagram. To explain this diagram, I'll move forward. The blue, or which blue is gold, gold is blue. The sun, red, or what this kind of a, almost like a teal color almost, as the opposite being red. This influence over sphere, the sphere being the Earth. Okay? This round Earth right here. The lower Earth, right? You see that? The lower Earth? Above the lower Earth, you have this belt. And within this belt is what I call where the celestial objects are placed. And these are ideas, i.e., the stars are there for decoration. They're not out in deep space. There is no deep space. I'll get to that. Okay? The moon and the sun, moon, move in their respective orbits around a center point. The blue reflecting the around time. If you rotate this circle, that will indicate the lit path. Okay, this would be the unlit path at the time that this curve is there. This would be counteracted with the moon influence, right, of light, being that these are both just lights, merely lights, greater, lesser. Okay, so let's label those at least. So we can label the sun. I'll put it right there. Just that's it. All right. We can label the moon. We'll put it right there. Okay. This observation, I'm going to go ahead and say, I won't fill all this in, other than to show you that you'll find out in this arrangement through the so-called cycle, these will interact and change, and this will sometimes, the so-called moon influence will sometimes align with the sun, right? Does that make sense? So this thing would go in a cycle when this would be a fixed point. All right? That would account for eclipses and all that nonsense. That it's not what, there's no planet moving in front. All right? It's a light. So moving forward, you have space. Now, space is merely the space between what I just described. This would be the firmament and the ceiling. All right, here would be the ceiling right here. The ceiling. You're not getting out of that. There's no deep space. There are no planets. Anything that's shown to you as a planet would be projected to you in this arena. All right? Just made smaller to have you be given the illusion of distance. All right? So where's the actual Earth, the dirt, the ocean, the air, the mountains, all that good stuff? Us. We're down in this area. That's us. That's the world. To the side, we're in just one part of it. You can't get to this edge just the way that this thing works. It's just not, you can't get out. You're not going to get there. Because it's just, there is no way you can get there. You're welcome to go try. Go ahead. Have fun. The sky, which is the sky, right? And then the weather. The weather sits in this band right here. See, there'd be these would be the puffy clouds and whatnot in the back. You can see them kind of puffing, and they move around. All right. And then if you look at the idea of that the earth is suspended on nothing, and then you do an inverse color image, you will see that this is in fact supported on nothing. This goes down into the depths, right? Into the deep. Okay? So this is merely just the eyeball, naturally. The human eyeball, just turned on its side, that I wanted to show you. It's the same thing as what I just showed you. That's the human eyeball. I turned it on its side. This is a human eyeball. I turned it on its side because this is what creation is. It is in the eye. Right? It is in the eye of the beholder. So anyways, you can get out of the artificial world, all right? Out of the artificial world, you'll still be here on Earth in this area, but you just won't be influenced by these false gods. They have nothing to do with you, right? Trust Jesus Christ to get you out, and then you're out. Have a great day.